Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 7.3 of chapter triangles. In this exercise, we are going to use RHS criteria, that is right angle hypotenuse and one of the side should be equal to the another triangle so that the two triangles can be proved as congruent. So now let's start with the question number 1. We have the two triangles ABC and ADC, in which my AB is equals to AC and my BD is equals to my CD, or DB is equals to DC. So what we have to prove? We have to prove the four things that we will see. We have to prove that ABD triangle is congruent to ACD. This triangle is equals to this congruent to this triangle. ABP is congruent to ACP. This is equals to is congruent to this. And we have to prove that AP bisects angle A as well as angle D, that this line AP will bisect my angle A, this angle, and my this angle. So if we will prove these two congruent, we can easily say that my this angle is equals to this angle, and that will be applied, that can be used in this by proving them congruent. So let's see. In triangle ABD and in triangle ACD, we have taken these two triangles. Since my this is equals to this, AB is equals to AC given, BD is equals to DC is also given, and my AD is common. So by SSS criteria, we can say that both the triangles are congruent, and angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. This angle will be is equals to this angle 1, angle 2. Both are equal by CPCT. So now first part is proved. Now in the second part, we will take these two triangles ABP and ACBP, the big two triangles. In this is equals to this, and this angle is equals to this angle, and AP is common. So by SAS criteria, we can say that both the triangles are congruent. This we have just proved above, that angle 1 is equals to angle 2. We can write it here as proved above. And from here we can say that BP is equals to CP. The corresponding parts of these two triangles which we have proved congruent, they are also equal. So BP is equals to CP by CPCT. Now we will take these two small triangles. Here this is equals to this given. This is equals to this, we have just proved, and this is common. So by SSS, we can say that both the triangles are congruent. By these three are equal, so we can say that both the triangles are congruent, right? So by this we can say that my this angle will be is equals to this. 3 is equals to 4. Now we can easily see that my AP will bisect my this angle A and this angle D as well, because angle 1 is equals to 2. We have proved above that BAP is equals to CAP. We have already proved it. And with the help of the congruence criteria of these two triangles, we can say that angle 3 is equals to angle 4, or angle BDP is equals to angle CDP. So which implies that DP bisects angle D and AP bisects angle D as well, right? So now in the fourth part, we have to prove that AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Now we will take the two triangles BPD and CPD. We have already proved that they are congruent. So we can say that angle BPD is equals to angle CPD. Let's see which two angles we are talking about. Angle BPD and angle CPD. So because these two triangles are congruent, so these two angles are also equal. So if these two are equal, we can say that they are the adjacent angle and they are lying on the same line. So let it be x. So this will be also x. So x plus x will be 180 degree linear pair. So 2x will be 180 degree and x will be 90 degrees. So we can write it like this. Angle BPD plus angle CPD is 180 degree linear pair. So twice of angle BPD, we can put here BPD instead of CPD because they both are equal. So BPD will be 90 degrees. So therefore AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Now we will start with the question number 2. We have this triangle ABC, and what is given to us, that AB and AC are equal and AD is the altitude of this isosceles triangle. What do you mean by altitude? That both of these angles are of 90 degree, that is angle ADB and angle ADC. Both are equal and each of 90 degree. What we want to prove, that AD bisects BC. We want to prove that AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. If we will prove that both the triangles are congruent, automatically by the corresponding pair property CP/CT, we can say that AD bisects BC and angle A as well. So now let's see how we are going to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Since in this AB and AC are equal, we need the three things. We know that these two are 90 degree angle and AD is common, right? So this is 90 degree. This is side angle. We don't know any of the criteria. So we are going to use RHS here. RHS means one right angle. Hypotenuse should be equal. Both are hypotenuse and they are equal, and one side should be equal. One side you can see here either the base or either the perpendicular. Here we have taken the perpendicular, that is AD. Both it is common in both of the triangles, so we can write AD is equals to AD common, and these both are each 90 degree. AB is equals to AB is also given. So by RHS criteria, both the triangles are congruent. So we can say that BD is equals to DC by CP/CT, which implies that AD bisects BC, and we can say that this angle is equals to this angle, so which also implies that AD bisects angle A. So angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. With this, our question number 2 is also finished. Students, please do these questions carefully in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.